and today I got iRobot Roomba i7 Plus.
All right, so one of our neighbors has just donated this to Wyatt. They brought the box and everything. This is the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus.
Yeah.
We're not sure what condition it's in, but Wyatt's gonna take it out and check it out and see. So this is used, but it came with everything.
We do not need the instructions. Here's the bag.
Okay, so it's got some brushes and filters.
The Roomba.
Alright.
See the Roomba before we take out the charger. Oh my gosh.
Wow, look at that. All right, yeah, so we've never had one like this before. We have the i3 Plus, but not the i7. Oh, so it needs a new brush. Good thing it came
Bro,
with
they're
them.
broken off.
All right, so it's very similar to the i3, isn't it?
This is so cool.
Looks a little different on the
I
top.
can't even start it.
All right, so it might need to charge. Let's see the base.
New bags.
Oh, good.
They already opened it. Holy moly.
All right.
Oh, here's the cord. Here it is.
All right.
Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, new filter for the Roomba. New brushes.
New
Oh my gosh.
All right, so this came with a lot of stuff. Good. All right, so is it charged? Is it working?
No, I
All right, so let's set it up and let it charge for a bit, okay?
yeah.
And we can see if it's having any issues.
Really cool. Where's the ice? Oh, it doesn't. Where's the i7? Or does it say i7? Here it is. i7.
i7.
Oh, I need the back. Here's one.
Is that what that red light means?
Yeah. Needs it. There we go. Let's put the Roomba on the charger. Well, it's really cool.
It is cool.
I didn't expect to have one right here.
One what?
Right, a sensor right here.
Oh, is it missing a sensor?
Ah, there's two right here.
Yeah,
There's two right there, two right there, and two right there.
it looks good.
We never have.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's let it charge for a bit, okay? And then we can see if it's running. Sound good?
Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works.
All right, and you think it's charged enough?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's see if it works. Right, it looks like it's working really well.
I think that has no problems. need to be charged.
Do you want to see if the spot cleaning works?
Yeah. Here's the handle.
Oh, that's cool. Wow. All right.
Ouch.
You gonna show us the spot cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think we need a new brush.
Yeah, we came with plenty of supplies, so.
Yeah.
Wyatt, that is such a nice Roomba.
Yeah. I bet she just didn't like it.
Yeah,
Maybe she didn't like it how it looked.
maybe. But it looks pretty cool though.
Yeah, I love it. Maybe she doesn't know how to charge it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. It's almost done.
All done. Now with spot cleaning. All right, now Wyatt is gonna send it home. We're gonna see how loud it is when it self-empties.
It's really loud.
Yeah.
It's the same as, you know. We just needed a brush. It's just broken. Maybe she didn't like the self-empty.
There we go. Everybody close your ears.
There we go.
There we go. That was kind of loud. All done. So cool, Wyatt. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, so Wyatt's just gonna replace this little side brush because it's missing some pieces.
Yeah, it's completely broken. I can't believe she just gave it to me.
Yeah, this is a really nice one. Screw.
You just throw the screw away.
Okay.
Here's the new one.
And you already put a new filter in?
Yeah.
Okay, and it got a new bag.
Uh-huh.
It's getting a new brush. Good as new.
There we go. New brush. Let's try it on the tile.
Okay. All right, Wyatt's gonna try it on the tile now.
I wonder how loud it is, but I think I'm a little stuck on that carpet.
It didn't like that carpet, did it? going to introduce itself to all the other Roombas.